tire manufacturing is changing, and there's a relentless drive for smaller, nimble production. At Steelastic, our tire technology is moving the industry forward. Since our founding in 1970, we forged our reputation on an innovative process for extruding, cutting, and splicing steel belt systems for radial tires. Now, as a global leader in tire component manufacturing equipment, we offer an entire line of belt, body ply, cab strip, and apex systems. Our breakthrough calenderless process allows you to easily produce all the reinforcement components utilized in modern tires without the need for traditional rubber calendering, giving you a production line with more flexibility, enhanced automation, greater efficiency, improved traceability, and a smaller footprint. As we continuously search for new and better ways to serve our customers, we've expanded our portfolio to include RMS equipment, a leader in rubber extrusion systems with a reputation for quality that we proudly continue. With engineering at the forefront of our capabilities, we're taking on new challenges for our customers, creating custom system integrations that offer creative solutions for production demands. In all of our work at Steelastic, we strive to provide the skilled expertise, quality machinery, and dependable customer service you need to succeed. Revolutionize your tire component manufacturing with Steelastic.